Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you what you can do with a silicone mould and a hard mould in the same project. And this is going to be really cool because I'm going to use mica powder and 2 or 3 different designs from this and also using this. Now you can't see this one too well, but this is kind of like a sharp sort of looking hard plastic one. It's got a hole in the middle so I can put my finger in and actually roll it, or I can use it just by holding it. Whereas this one is going to be a completely different method because it's very bendy, and one wrong move and you won't get the print that you'll need. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I had a lot of fun with this. So who'd have thought that having like a scaly sort of green effect here with a really, really posh twirly pattern, something that you'd see on, I don't know, ornate furniture or something like that, would go really well like this. So as I normally do, I'm just going to go all the way around so you can have a good look at it. It's all pretty much symmetrical. I made it as close as I could to each side so that they all looked very similar, except for this bit, and I made it a bit wide, but it's art, remember, you can do that. And then around the top here, I made like a one of the other moulds. I used the crisscross and the kind of like circle design for the top there. So yeah, having a little bit of a close-up look now, you can see how it really, really complements the design. This was actually really, really lovely. Now, so with silicone moulds, you need to have really, really soft clay for them to work. I tried this with slightly harder clay, it just was not working. So the green clay, this part here, was really, really tough going, because if you'll notice that from one of my other videos, I did a conditioner video, that one was this, and yeah, it's hard still. Well, it's definitely hard now, but it was really hard to do originally. However, the black, because the black I used was soft, it literally went in the mould and came out absolutely perfectly. So I recommend, if you are going to use the silicone moulds, to use your clay that is really, really soft, and then it comes out great. There isn't many things you can say about soft clay other than it doesn't work very well, but in the case of a silicone mould, it's going to work absolutely brilliantly. So moving on to the green one here, this was the hard roller and it worked out really well. I let it kind of like fade out on the sides, and where it did pull out the clay here and there, I just kind of fixed it. Up here it pulled a little bit of the clay out, but to be honest, I didn't really notice it, and you know, it adds to the effect. I think it looks really cool. So it almost looks like it's kind of worn a little bit, and this part here I really like. I put the little dots in as well, and it's kind of like almost like it's concrete or something, although albeit green, and there's just a bit sort of worn away, which I really, really like. And then you've got the posh parts here, so it's almost like something that's come out of the medieval times. If I'd have done it a different colour, it probably would have looked even more medieval. So yeah, this is one of my favourites of all time. I really love this one. It's going to be right in front of me most of the time, I think. I'm going to use this, definitely. So this is how you use silicone moulds, soft ones and hard moulds with Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hoping it and I'm hoping here we go on the test. Here we go on the test. What are you talking about? This one, hello. How am I supposed to hold this squidgy thing? So today I'm going to show you how to do mouldy stuff. Mould. So today I'm going to show you how to make, how to have a life. How to have a polymer clay life. If in doubt, don't use it as a mould, use it as a fan.